Hey there! Today we're diving into the secrets of naturally cleansed and conditioned hair with Morrocco Method Sea Essence Shampoo. Formulated from a unique blend of nori, kombu, and marine proteins, this sulfate-free shampoo promotes hair growth and enhances the natural shine and luster of your hair. Drift into the heart of the ocean and experience the rejuvenating benefits of this extraordinary hair care product. We take inspiration from the elements to craft shampoos that align with nature. Representing the element of water, this shampoo focuses on our root work Lunar hair goal and stands out as the most moisturizing among the 5 shampoos in our collection. Tailored for individuals with normal to dry hair types, this shampoo uses rich sea botanicals such as kelp and spirulina to ensure your hair and scalp are soothingly hydrated for optimal growth. These ingredients are so concentrated that you can dilute it with water up to 50% for an extra gentle cleanse. This means our shampoo will last you longer than most. Perfect shampooing requires washing twice. The first wash loosens dust, dead skin cells, and excess oils from the hair and scalp. The second wash allows the ingredients of the shampoo to reach the scalp and to nourish the hair using a longer scalp massage. We take pride in creating shampoos that go beyond the ordinary. All natural, raw, vegan, sulfate-free, gluten-free, and non-foaming. These shampoos embody our commitment to purity and quality. With Sea Essence Shampoo, you are not just cleansing your hair, you are indulging in a transformative experience that respects both your hair and the environment. For optimal results, Morrocco Method recommends a hair cycling routine of all 5 natural shampoos in their lineup and using your products in conjunction with the Lunar hair calendar. Each shampoo corresponds to one of the 5 elements, ensuring a holistic and balanced approach to hair care. Embrace the diversity of nature and let your hair shine with the radiance of the sea. And one last thing, please make sure to read the ingredients on your shampoo bottle. There's been a lot of so-called natural hair care companies popping up recently, but they either don't list their ingredients, or if you look at them, they're not all natural. We've been all natural for over 50 years. Morrocco Method, handmade in small batches, naturally. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness.